As December rolls in, the buzz around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is reaching fever pitch. Each new leak seems to add another layer of excitement, giving content creators and tech enthusiasts plenty to talk about. DJI has long been known for quietly pushing boundaries, and the Pocket 4 looks set to continue that tradition. From dual sensors to an innovative status display, a larger battery, and hints of pricing and release timing, this next-generation pocket camera could redefine what's possible in the realm of compact, cinematic video. For creators, the potential here is enormous. The rumored dual-sensor setup is at the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4's appeal. The primary sensor is reportedly a 1-inch, 50-megapixel unit capable of producing highly detailed, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range. This sensor alone could already elevate the Pocket 4 to one of the most powerful devices in its size class. But the real game-changer might be the secondary sensor. Sources suggest it is over 1.3 inches in square in format, designed to enhance vertical shooting. This would allow creators to produce social media-ready vertical videos without cropping or losing image quality, a feature increasingly critical in today's landscape of multi-platform content creation. DJI has experimented with dual sensors in previous products, such as the Action 6 and Osmo 360, and this approach could finally merge cinematic quality footage with social media flexibility in one compact device. Adding to the intrigue is the rumored secondary screen. Initially mistaken for a full preview display, early reports clarify that it's likely a small status screen. Despite its modest size, this display could be incredibly useful, showing critical information like battery level, frame rate, audio input, and storage status. Imagine shooting from unusual angles, holding the Pocket 4 at arm's length, or filming in tight spaces. A glance at the status screen would allow creators to monitor settings without fumbling through menus or interrupting the flow of shooting. These small but thoughtful design touches are what set DJI apart in the portable camera market. Battery life has also been a major focus in the leaks. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to house a 1,545 mAh battery, a noticeable increase over the Pocket 3. With the dual sensors, enhanced processing, and potentially higher resolution video recording, this upgrade seems essential. Remarkably, DJI has reportedly managed to maintain the Pocket 4's compact size and even reduce its weight slightly compared to the previous model. More power, more features, and less weight. If true, this represents a significant engineering achievement. It demonstrates DJI's ongoing commitment to blending portability with high performance. Stabilization has always been a cornerstone of the Osmo line, and the Pocket 4 appears to push this further. DJI's legacy in gimbals suggests that users can expect buttery-smooth video, even during dynamic handheld movement. Rumors indicate improved electronic image stabilization, better compensation for roll and tilt, and superior performance in fast-paced shooting conditions. For travel videographers, vloggers, and action content creators, this means cinema-quality footage without bulky rigs or additional gear. The combination of dual sensors and advanced stabilization could allow for previously impossible creative shots in a compact, all-in-one package. The design of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 seems to prioritize practical usability alongside performance. The status screen, along with refined button placement and menu navigation, promises to streamline the shooting experience. For creators constantly adjusting settings on the go, small features like these can significantly improve workflow efficiency. DJI appears to understand that in a compact device, every millimeter and every button placement counts. By blending convenience with advanced functionality, the Pocket 4 could become the go-to tool for a wide range of creators. Launch timing and pricing remain topics of speculation. Some sources suggest DJI may announce the Pocket 4 before potential regulatory challenges arise, though shipping might extend into early next year. Pricing rumors place the base model in the $699 to $799 range, positioning it as a premium device that remains accessible to enthusiasts and professional creators alike. This price range makes sense considering the dual sensor system, enhanced stabilization, increased battery capacity, and other expected upgrades. DJI's strategy seems to focus on delivering high-quality performance in a compact package without straying too far from its target market. The dual sensor system could dramatically expand creative possibilities. The main 1-inch sensor is expected to deliver cinematic quality horizontal footage, while the secondary square sensor could handle vertical shots seamlessly. For content creators, this dual capability eliminates the need to crop or reframe footage in post-production, saving both time and preserving image quality. It also opens the door to multi-platform content creation, allowing creators to produce cinematic, social media-ready videos in a single take. The versatility this provides could set the Pocket 4 apart from competitors in the portable camera space. The status screen, though small, is more than just a convenience, it's a functional upgrade that could change how creators interact with the camera. Checking critical settings like frame rate, battery life, storage capacity, and audio levels without interrupting a shoot can save valuable time and prevent mistakes. For vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and adventure creators working in unpredictable environments, this feature could be invaluable. It's a perfect example of DJI's attention to the practical needs of content creators. Battery life and efficiency are central to the Pocket 4's design. The rumored 1,545 mAh battery would support longer shoots, essential for travel content, vlogs, and professional projects. Coupled with energy-efficient hardware and stabilization algorithms, this battery upgrade allows creators to focus more on capturing content and less on swapping out power sources. Despite the increased capacity, the Pocket 4 reportedly maintains its compact form and lightweight build, ensuring it remains portable and easy to handle. Processing and stabilization improvements are expected to elevate the Pocket 4 to a new standard in portable filmmaking. Smooth, cinematic video has been a hallmark of the Osmo series, and the addition of dual sensors and improved software processing could make this device even more versatile. Users could capture complex motion shots, dramatic pans, and handheld sequences without the need for external stabilizers. The combination of hardware and software enhancements promises professional quality results in a form factor that fits comfortably in a pocket or small bag. The Osmo Pocket 4's dual sensor setup is particularly compelling in the context of today's content creation landscape. With demand for multi-platform videos at an all-time high, creators often need to deliver both horizontal cinematic content and vertical social media clips. The dual sensors would allow for simultaneous shooting in both formats or easy switching between modes without compromising quality. This flexibility could save hours in post-production and offer a level of convenience previously unavailable in compact cameras. The small status display complements this dual sensor functionality by making essential information immediately visible. Creators won't need to fumble with menus or interrupts to check settings, a glance at the screen should suffice. In practical terms, this enhances workflow, reduces errors, and allows for uninterrupted focus on creative composition. It's a subtle but powerful addition that highlights DJI's commitment to user-centered design. Battery improvements further enhance usability. Longer recording times mean fewer interruptions during shoots, allowing creators to capture events, landscapes, or travel sequences without constantly swapping batteries. Combined with DJI's reported improvements in processing efficiency, this could make the Pocket 4 an ideal choice for extended trips, outdoor adventures, or documentary projects. Its compact form ensures that portability is not sacrificed in favor of performance, striking a balance many creators look for in a camera. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated and innovative updates in DJI's lineup. Dual sensors promise cinematic quality horizontal footage and vertical social media-ready clips. A small but functional status display improves workflow efficiency, while the larger battery ensures longer shoots without sacrificing portability. Enhanced stabilization and processing make handheld filmmaking smoother and more accessible than ever. With rumors pointing toward a launch in late 2025 or early 2026 and pricing in the $699 to $799 range, the Pocket 4 could redefine what content creators expect from a compact, all-in-one camera. It's not just an incremental upgrade, it has the potential to change how creators shoot, edit, and publish their work across multiple platforms.